Hi, we're delighted that you decided to purchase the Poolvac Ultra Automatic Pool Cleaner. Poolvac Ultras are available in 3 models. Each is engineered to clean a specific type of in-ground pool: concrete, vinyl, or fiberglass. But no matter which model you purchased, the installation process is the same. Now, the purpose of this tape is to show you just how easy it is to install your Poolvac Ultra. It takes 10 minutes or even less, and you need absolutely no tools. We're also going to show you how to fine-tune your Poolvac Ultra to keep it working properly for your individual pool. Now let's begin with the preparation of your pool. Inspect your pool prior to installation of your Poolvac Ultra, removing all large objects such as rocks, coins, and large amounts of leaves and debris. Check to see that the water level is as recommended. Water chemistry is also important to the operation of your Poolvac Ultra. Be sure that the water is properly balanced and all algae is treated and removed. Before installing your Poolvac Ultra, inspect your pump and filter and clean if necessary. Open the hair and lint pot and clean as necessary. Make sure that the seal is lubricated and free from debris. Make sure that all suction lines, other than the one to be used by your Poolvac Ultra, are closed, including the main drain line, and make sure that your pumping system is off prior to installation of your Poolvac Ultra. Having done this, you are now ready to install the Poolvac Ultra. Please refer to your Poolvac Ultra installation manual during the installation process. Inside the Poolvac Ultra box, you have 1 liter and 9 connector hose sections. The liter hose has a gray cuff marked with a red sticker. This liter hose cuff connects to the Poolvac Ultra head. Remove the red sticker from the liter hose cuff, then connect the hose sections, starting with the liter hose. If the hose sections are hard to connect, wet the hose ends. After connecting the hose sections, measure to the furthest point from your skimmer or wall fitting to where your Poolvac Ultra will travel. Take this length and add 2 extra hose sections to determine the proper length for your individual pool.
Insert the flow gauge into the liter hose. Then attach the C-clip of the gauge onto the first hose section. Submerge the hose sections, filling them completely with water. Make sure the flow gauge is underwater and turn on the pool pump. Adjust the water flow to ensure that the indicator is between the min and max markings. Then turn off the pump and remove the flow gauge.
Please see Step 4 in your installation manual. The Hayward leaf canister was designed to trap leaves, twigs, and other debris before reaching the skimmer and filter system. Its clear plastic construction allows you to see if emptying is necessary before opening. The rear flap adjuster is used to fine-tune your cleaner. Check to make sure that it is preset at the number 2 or middle setting. This is the proper setting for most pools. Picking up the unit by its handle, submerge it in your pool, removing all air. Once the air has been removed, connect the cuff of the liter hose to the Poolvac Ultra hose connector. Release the cleaner and continue to submerge the hose sections into the water, removing all air. Turn on the pump and filter system, allowing it to run long enough to remove any air that might be trapped inside. The skimmer cone is used to connect the hose to the skimmer. Connect the skimmer cone to the other end of the Poolvac Ultra hose. After removing the skimmer basket, plug the cone into the suction port of the skimmer. Or, if your pool is equipped with a dedicated vacuum line, connect the hose directly to the Hayward vac lock. Do not use the skimmer cone with a dedicated vacuum line, and be sure to use a Hayward vac lock for safety reasons.
Observe the operation of the cleaner and note the reading on the inline flow gauge. Should the reading not be between the min and max box,
it will be necessary to adjust the water flow through the cleaner by using the VO94 regulator valve, a Hayward skimmer vacuum plate, or a valve or valves in your filter system that are installed for this purpose. If the VO94 regulator valve is used, it must be installed between the skimmer cone and the first hose section in the skimmer. Do not put the regulator valve in any other location in the hose. For safety reasons, it cannot be installed in the portion of the hose that is floating in the pool. Be sure that if you open the main or bottom drain to adjust the water flow, that you only open it slightly. Otherwise, the cleaner might get stuck on the drain.
After the cleaner has been properly adjusted, remove the flow gauge. This gauge is not designed to be left in the water. However, the flow gauge should be reinstalled from time to time to verify the flow readings, as it may change as the filter system accumulates debris. This will assure that your pool cleaner will operate as designed.
If your hose is being pushed across the pool by the water from the return line, adjust the return line so that the water flow is directed across the pool and down at a 45-degree angle. If your pool is not equipped with an adjustable eyeball type return line fitting, contact your Poolvac Ultra dealer for an optional Hayward return line diverter. If your Poolvac Ultra is tipping over and not reaching portions of your pool's floor, chances are that your hose is too short. Remember, you need to add 2 extra hose lengths beyond the furthest point in your pool from the connection point of your Poolvac Ultra.
Add more hose sections if necessary until the proper length is achieved, and readjust the flow if necessary.
However, too much hose may cause the hose to get tangled, reducing the cleaner's efficiency. If your Poolvac Ultra is moving too slowly, or failing to climb the walls in a concrete or fiberglass pool, or the sides of the hopper in a vinyl liner pool, check the following. First, after turning off the pump and disconnecting your Poolvac Ultra, check to see if the throat is clogged or restricted by debris. If this is the case, remove the objects. Then, remove the easy opening bottom with a Phillips head screwdriver, exposing the turbine chamber. Be sure this area is clean and that the turbine turns freely. Replace the easy opening bottom and tighten the Phillips head screw. If your Poolvac Ultra is not clogged, make sure your skimmer leaf basket and hair and lint pot are cleaned out. Check your filter to see if it needs to be cleaned or backwashed. Check your main drain and other suction points not connected to the Poolvac Ultra for proper adjustment. Check all hose connections for air leaks, including the hose that connects to the skimmer. For other problems you may encounter, please refer to the Troubleshooting section in the installation manual. If your Poolvac Ultra is still moving slowly and not climbing the walls in a concrete or fiberglass pool, or the sides of the hopper in a vinyl liner pool, you should adjust the rear flap adjuster to the number 3 setting. When storing your cleaner, the hose sections must be stored straight, not coiled. A coiled hose will create a memory in the hose that will impede the Poolvac Ultra's ability to move properly in your pool. And remember, coiled hoses are not covered under the Hayward warranty. When removing the Poolvac Ultra from your pool, be sure to grasp the cleaner by its handle, not by its hose. Otherwise, your Poolvac Ultra might be damaged should the hose disconnect from the cleaner. The following optional Hayward accessories are available from your local Hayward dealer. Each is designed to help your cleaner do an even better job of keeping your pool sparkling clean. If your pool is subject to heavy debris loads, the optional Hayward leaf canister is the ideal solution. It traps leaves and other large debris before they enter your pool's filter system, making pool maintenance easier for you. The optional Hayward skimmer vacuum plate is an accessory that makes your Poolvac Ultra truly automatic by alternating between skimming and vacuuming. It's simple. During one cycle, the skimmer cleans leaves and floating debris from the pool's surface. During the next cycle, the Poolvac Ultra removes leaves and other debris from your pool's bottom and walls. The built-in vacuum gauge and flow regulator allows you to easily set the proper vacuum for efficient performance. If you still have any questions regarding installation or fine-tuning, just contact your local Hayward Poolvac Ultra dealer or call us toll-free at 1-800-227-1477. Thanks again for purchasing the Hayward Poolvac Ultra. Hayward, intelligent products for smart pool owners.